When you log into OrgSync, click on the switchboard icon. It's the 9 black squares to the left of your initial in the top right corner. And select Manage. Under My Memberships, click on the org for which you may be the primary contact. On the next page, if your name is listed under the org name, click on the Organization Tool menu, and then select Roster. If the person you would like to change to primary contact is listed in the roster, you make that edit in the primary contact box near the top left by clicking on the blue pencil. If that person is not listed in the roster, you will need to invite them via their my.unt.edu address to join the portal by clicking on the Invite People button. Once they join the portal, you can make the edit in the primary contact box. Please make sure you notify this person that they are now the primary contact. If you are the primary contact and need to assign access to other members, complete the following steps. If your organization has its own specific position titles, beyond the ones that Student Activities provides that you want to create in your organization's portal, you are able to do that. It is important to create positions to allow different members, officers, advisors, etc. to have different access levels to documents, forms, events, or other tools. To create new positions for your organization, navigate to the Action Center for your organization page, and click on the Roster tool under the Organization Tool menu. Keep in mind you will need the appropriate level of access to manage the roster in order to create new positions. From the Roster menu, click Manage Positions. A list of all the current positions available for your organization will be listed. Some of these may have been previously created by the organization, while others were created by Student Activities. To create a new position, click Add Position at the top of the page. You will see the following. Give the position a name. Keep in mind the name should be of the position or role itself. For example, Historian, Secretary, Committee Head, not of the specific member who will eventually hold the position in your organization. Then assign the position to the position type that is most appropriate. These types are determined by Student Activities and cannot be altered. Check the box next to Show Holders of the position on the organization's roster if you want your members holding that position to be visible on the roster page of your organization's page. If you want the position to be available for users to hold immediately, select Active. If this is not checked, the position will only be available as a past position. For example, if in a few years the org gets rid of the historian position, you would uncheck this box so that the position becomes inactive. Finally, you will need to set the management access for this position. Positions with no access will not be able to manage any tools within the organization's portal. All access allows position holders to manage every tool within the organization's portal. These are the users who will have the most content management capabilities within your portal. Limited access allows you to customize the level of access the position should have for each tool within the portal. When you are finished determining the level of access for the position, click Create. Once the position has been created, it may take a few minutes before it can be assigned to a member. If you do not see the position immediately, give the system a few minutes while the position is being generated. For information about adding or changing members' positions, please read our quick tip on assigning people to and changing positions quick tip.